Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Buldak ramen less spicy. To effectively reduce the heat, consider adding dairy products such as whole milk, heavy cream, or a slice of cheese directly into your cooked ramen. Another great strategy is to dilute the spice by incorporating extra plain noodles or a generous amount of vegetables. You can also simply use a smaller portion of the intense spicy sauce packet. For a creamy, less fiery experience, try adding about 1/4 cup of whole milk or heavy cream to your ramen after cooking. Alternatively, melt a slice of American or mozzarella cheese directly into the hot broth. It creates a delicious, milder flavor. You can also cook your noodles with slightly more water than usual, then drain a portion before mixing in the sauce. To further reduce the spiciness while enhancing flavor, consider mixing in a raw egg yolk right after cooking. It adds a rich, creamy texture. A tablespoon of sugar or honey can also help balance the intense heat, offering a pleasant sweetness. For a more substantial dilution, try incorporating a mild chicken or vegetable broth instead of just water. For a truly balanced meal, serve your Buldak ramen alongside a small bowl of plain white rice. Alternating bites can significantly cool your palate. Don't forget to garnish with fresh, cooling ingredients such as thinly sliced cucumber, chopped scallions, or even a sprinkle of sesame seeds. These additions provide a refreshing contrast to the heat. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.